Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Pirate Ship allows you to import Etsy orders and create discounted shipping labels quickly. Pirate Ship offers access to commercial USPS or and UPS rates, helping Etsy sellers save money on shipping while managing orders from a simple dashboard. Once connected, your Etsy orders will automatically import into Pirate Ship, where you can generate labels and send tracking information back to Etsy. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Pirate Ship in 2026 safely and correctly. So now I want you to create a Pirate Ship account. So before connecting Etsy, create a Pirate Ship account. So go to pirateship.com, click sign up, okay, or create a free account. Create an account using email address and password, log into the Pirate Ship dashboard, okay, and after logging in, go to the Pirate Ship dashboard, click settings, select integrations, and you will see a list of supported platforms. Okay, so now I want you to choose Etsy. So to link your Etsy store, click connect Etsy. You will be redirected to the Etsy login page, okay, here, and sign into your Etsy seller account and click allow access. This allows Pirate Ship to import your Etsy orders, okay, so Etsy must approve the integration. You can also after that confirm the connection. So after authorization, your Etsy shop will appear inside Pirate Ship integrations. You should see store name, connection status, order syncing enabled. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.